Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you or showing you how to do a basic braid, and I'll be using the overhand method for this tutorial. First, I'm going to separate the hair into two sections. Then I'm going to pin the section that's not being braided out of the way. Now we're going to be splitting our first section of hair into 3 even parts or pieces, and I'll be using my comb to do this. And you want to try your best to ensure that all 3 pieces are even, because you don't want your braid to be lopsided or uneven. You want a symmetrical and balanced braid. So now there's a left piece, a middle piece, and a right piece of hair. We're going to be starting with the right hand. I'm right-handed, so I start with my right hand. If you're left-handed, just start with the opposite hand. Now you're going to be holding the right piece of hair with your thumb, middle, index, and ring fingers. Now let's move to your left hand, and you're going to be doing the exact same thing, holding the hair with your thumb, middle, index, and ring fingers. And to avoid confusing you, I'm just going to pin the middle section out of the way so you can focus on the left and the right piece first. Notice how the hair is positioned mainly between my middle and ring fingers. Pay close attention, because next you're going to be releasing your right thumb and index finger from holding onto that right piece of hair. After releasing your thumb and index finger from the right piece of hair, you're now going to grab onto the middle piece of hair. Now, with your left hand, you're going to release your thumb and index finger. Then, you're going to reach under the middle piece of hair, grabbing that right piece using your thumb and index finger. So now that you're familiar with the concept, let's get started with our first basic braid. Quick tip: keep your fingers as close to the scalp as possible and keep a firm grip on all 3 pieces of hair. The outer pieces, meaning the left and right pieces of hair, are always going to the middle. The right piece goes under the middle and over the left piece. The left piece goes under the middle and over the right piece. And that's all you're going to be doing, alternating the outer pieces to the middle. After braiding down about an inch or 2, I rotate to the underbraid technique. Place your index finger and thumb at the back of the braid for support, so that the braid will not start unraveling. Now use your thumb and index finger to go underneath the middle piece to the left side. Then go underneath the middle piece to the right side. And we're going to repeat this process until you get to the ends of the braid. When you get to the bottom or the end of the braid, you can add a rubber band for security. Now this braid is for my visual learners. I may be back in between to give you some tips. Don't forget to detangle or comb through your section before braiding so that there's no knots or tangles. Okay, I'm about to flip the braid so you can see exactly how I do it. And your thumb and index fingers are acting like an anchor to hold the base of the braid in place. And just continue braiding down, underneath to the left, underneath to the right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.